Welcome to Dualit Barista School. I'm Pauline and I'm going to show you how to use the hot water tap on your Espressivo Pro coffee machine. The Espressivo Pro has a separate hot water tap dispensing instant hot water. It's great for pre-warming cups, topping up hot drinks, making herbal teas or filling the teapot. The temperature of the water dispense will be between 80 and 85 degrees. Place your cup, mug or teapot on the drip tray underneath the hot water tap. Turn the steam and hot water lever to the hot water position. The hot water indicator will illuminate and hot water will dispense. You can dispense of up to 200 millilitres of hot water in one go. It's as simple as that to dispense hot water from your Espressivo Pro coffee machine. Want to know more about using your coffee machine, cleaning and more? Watch the rest of our Barista School videos and become a Barista Pro. I'm now going to drink my Americano.